on rear disc brakes on these cars. It's a 99 hatch or 96 hatch, whatever. These are toe bolts. They season the bushing, but then it won't come out. So you gotta cut it on both sides. And then you can pull the arm out, but then you have to pull the part you cut out as well. If it spins in the captured nut, which is what this one's doing, that's fine. So you'll cut it, and then you can slot it and screw it. Use like a screwdriver to screw it out, or vice grips or something.